KidneyDiet is an app that helps people with kidney disease make better dietary choices. If you have chronic kidney disease, becoming aware of the 3 Ps, that's phosphorus, potassium, and protein, as well as sodium and fluids in your diet, is of utmost importance. This short video explains how to sort your daily diary list of foods by nutrient. When you select the diary button on the bottom left corner of the app, you will see the foods you've eaten and added to your diary for that day. Scroll through the list to look over your foods by swiping up or down. If you are concerned about certain nutrients, there's a great feature to help you sort your day's foods by nutrient. Click on the sort icon, which looks like a funnel in the top right corner, and then you'll see 6 nutrients listed, which will help you learn which foods are too high in whichever nutrients your doctor or dietitian has recommended you limit or lessen eating. So let's look at phosphorus as an example. By clicking the radio button for phosphorus, the foods in your daily diary will resort to list those with higher phosphorus at the top, and then by scrolling down, you'll see those with the least amount of phosphorus. This is a great tool to help you learn which foods are too high in nutrients that are of concern to you. After using KidneyDiet for a while, you'll know which foods are better for you than others upon first selection when adding foods. You will already have learned to make better dietary choices from the start. If you want to remove the radio buttons to see more of your list, then just select the sort icon in the top right corner again. Thanks for taking time to learn more about KidneyDiet.